How you doing? Okay, so I'm at the adventure for the day. One thing that I do love about VA is that we have a lot of parks. You have no excuse not to enjoy nature and to get fresh air and to handle your mental health. That's all I'm saying. You have any suggestions of your favorite parks in VA? Just tell me all your favorite places by the water. I know Great Falls. Great Falls is like everybody's favorite. So that's like the #1 popular place that I try not to go to as much. But I'm gonna learn to go to Great Falls like early in the morning and when it's cold, because that place get too no thank you. We're going for peace and serenity. So anyway, this is now episode 3. So I'm looking forward to this mild trail. It's not too bad. I got some things to do today. I just don't want to be hiking for 40 days and 40 nights. So it's just something to come out, get some fresh air, get the fresh air through my lungs, and chill and relax and walk by the water. So I'll see you later, sweet potatoes. Lord, please don't let me encounter. Girl, I don't like being in the woods, honey. That's why I wanted to start these nature walks, because why does this creep me out? Like, I don't look, nobody's here. It's quiet. I know what it was. It was all them scary movies that I used to watch when I was a little kid. They was always in the woods. Like, y'all ain't got nowhere else to shoot these crazy movies. Anyway, I'm trying to find the water, but here I is, always getting lost. Always getting lost in the woods. I'm gonna find my way eventually. Okay, so I'm making this channel for all the people who want to go out and you so stuck in your comfort zone. Girl, I'm out here. My fingers is a little cold because I took one of my mittens off, but that's okay. Long story long is I'm out here getting fresh air, and girl, my mental health is already just on the up and up. So soon as I find me some water, I'll be good. But I ain't seen a couple people out. But again, I keep telling y'all, I'm part of the the midlife senior crew, because ain't no young people. You know what? I'm not even gonna speak that over young people, but I ain't seen no young people out this early. Maybe they exercise inside because don't nobody want to be cold. Maybe this will help my body to adapt better to the cold. Look at the sun. Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Girl.